Ever since I was little, weekend dinners were spent at my grandparents' house, 5-minute walk from home. As many of you might relate, grandmas cook the best food. My grandma is small in figure, but so mighty. And ever since I was little, I have watched her walk across the kitchen, preparing a feast for the family, ready for 6. When I stood in the kitchen for the first time 10 years ago, I was in awe about how she could cut the spring onions so quickly and know exactly what seasoning needed to be added to the dish. At first, I was told off, "No, you don't hold the knife like that," and proceeded to watch and learn from the master herself. But gradually, as I came to Baba's kitchen every week and got more involved in the process, I developed a deep passion for cooking. Now, many view cooking as this chore. You spend 8 hours a day at either school or work, and the other time is trying to recover. So cooking is viewed as this thing where it is invaluable to our precious time, and this is especially so when it is considered a new territory. We all grow up relying on our parents and respected guardians to provide food for us, helping us become strong and healthy adults. So when we become high school students, our time is prioritized in other ways. We spend first 18 years of our lives in school, learning about new things about the world, but when we graduate and become independent, we find ourselves looking at an empty fridge, proceeding to order takeout, as we have avoided cooking and viewed it as this future thing. However, the study by the Journal of Nutrition, Education, and Behavior found that adolescents' cooking abilities were a strong indicator in predicting future nutrition and well-being, and that being confident in cooking skills led to fewer fast food meals, more meals as family, and more frequent meals with vegetables. And cooking can also be very therapeutic and enjoyable as well. During the first COVID lockdowns, when people were constrained in their homes, people turned to baking to provide a sense of control in an uncontrollable society. According to Google, the search terms for banana bread, a relatively easy cake to make, soared all around the world. The act of cracking an egg into a bowl, mixing sugar, and pouring the melted butter, shifting the flour, and putting it into the oven, and looking at it transform was a rewarding process for many people. And at the end of the day, we all eat, and we all enjoy eating. It is what brings people together. At any celebration or special occasion, there's food on the table. And if food is able to bring such joy, why not be able to cook it ourselves? Thank you.